How to connect the camera to the X-Range system. This is the same for all X-Range systems, not just the X60. Start by unscrewing the dust covers from both the rod and the camera. Line up the red dot on the camera head with the flat shoulder on the rod and push them together. Screw the lock over the connection until the red line is no longer visible. And that's it. For more X-Range tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. And if you need any more support, get in contact. All information is in the description.